Aglianico is really one of my favorite grape varieties from southern Italy, and this example hails from the region of Basilicata, from the Mount Vulture area, which is a volcano, and the soils that this wine grows on are volcanic soils, which you'll really see that reflection in the wine. There's a lot of smokiness and a lot of that sort of flinty minerality that is just so typical of volcanic soils. This wine is made by a very young winemaker. This guy is like 24 years old. He is trained in Barolo, so there's some like serious elegance to this wine. This drinks like something at least 2 to 3 times its price point. You'll get beautiful dusty tannins, a lot of cassis and black cherry fruit. This is grown organically as well, and it's very, very small production. This is just total slam dunk Aglianico. It is such an awesome find from Basilicata. I love to pair this with meat. This is great with a beef tenderloin that's crusted with some fresh rosemary and some porcini powder. I'm Etty from the Plonk Wine Club. Cheers.